Why does a post-workout snack taste irresistibly sweet even after a solid cooldown and a glass of water? After a gym session, many people find themselves reaching for chips or chocolate while the gym breath still lingers in the air. But scientifically, the brain floods with dopamine and muscles burn stored glycogen, triggering hunger signals seconds after exertion. A balanced post-workout snack, combining protein, healthy fats and carbs, supports recovery and steadies insulin without guilt. So next time you crave a treat after training, consider a planned portion and ask yourself what your body truly needs.